Sylvia here, TandiArt again. I have another kit for you. I know I had some requests to do more kits, and I know you're kind of bored sitting at home, so I thought I'd put that for you in my shop. So we'll do this little kind of dream catcher, mini dream catcher. So it's like 4 inches, and all these materials will be included in the kit, a part of glue. So you have to have your own glue and hot glue gun, any other really strong glue to put the flowers in. So I'll show you now how to do it. So that's what you will get in your kit. You will get all the supplies. You will get the collage sheets. This is my new collage sheets. You will get the paper, vintage book pages, that little hoop, piece of paper, 3 pieces of fabric, 2 kind of little samples of paint. You just need a little bit of paint, some glitter, and some flowers, and of course lace and different kind of fabric for the tail. So what you do first, you open your hoop and you take out the bigger piece. On this piece we'll attach the tail. So for this we need to kind of do our little collage on the fabric. So I start with adding some book pages. I actually have some here, just pieces, just to add a bit of texture. I love the kind of texture on it. So I will use my actually 3D gel, but you can use Mod Podge or any kind of glue will work here. So this is just for additional texture. This is very cute little project. We all love, I think, dream catchers, and I hope it will keep your bad dreams away and bring out the good dreams. Yeah. Okay, so that's basically it with the gluing for now. What I do is now I have this mint paint just to keep more or less the size, and I will just add that green here. It's a thick paint. So you just need a tiny bit of it, you don't need much really. So I still want that text to show through, so yeah, I'd say that'd be perfect. Okay. This on the side. I will just give it quick dry. And I will add that kind of orangey, lovely orange here in the corners. He'll be my son, so I just add a bit of this. I love this combination of that orange with teal. It's really, really nice, one of my favorites. Because I have some elements cut out. There's the sun, which I really like, so I might add a tiny bit to bring it back to life, to that sun. And she will be here. Yeah, lovely. So that would be it for painting. You really don't need much because you have all the collage paper to add. So now, what I do is I would like to add this bit to it for my collage too. So put that on the side and we start doing the tail. So the tail, basically it's very, very simple. So on the bigger part, I add a really cute, how do you call this fabric? Tulle, yeah, decorative tulle. So that's what you do. So you take it into half, fold it into half, under, and put it through the loop and pull it down. Okay, and I didn't do it evenly. Okay, that's okay. Then we will trim later because there will be probably much longer. This one I might actually do like 4 times. This is the small dream catcher, and then I cut it later. I trim it later. Some pieces will be longer, shorter, but that's okay, you can change that. Trim it later. So I just cut it here. Yep. So it's thicker. I wanted to match, I kind of want what color scheme of the collage and the background. Just tied it. It's coming out really nicely. Lovely lace. You know that mint is my favorite color. So all this will be in your kit. I have only 8 kits, unfortunately. I'm waiting for more hoops to come. And some white in the middle, maybe. You can actually paint some of this lace. I could add to that white, it's a white kind of linen, so I could add that kind of orangey paint, so it will match with the background until, yay, it's a great idea. Lots of tulle is really nice because it gives really nice fluff and texture. I am obsessed, actually. I have so many of them, different colors. They're very cute. Yeah, so whatever you have, they might vary. Actually I put all the same. This one I dyed myself with onion, red onion, I think, or normal onion during Easter. So it's nice and fluffy. Yeah, so later on you can trim it, so basically the bottom to it. This won't be too long. So there's your lovely tail. So now what you do is you take this part, put your fabric on top, open this, and this is the little bit tricky part, and you just kind of push it through this until it's really, really tight, the fabric. Nice and tight. You can still tie this lace So you can still kind of tie the laces and the tail, tighten them on the hoop. So what you do with rest, you can cut it out with sharp scissors, or what I do is I take my glue gun and do this. Yeah. So you can either way do it. Okay. Right. And that's how it look like. Okay. So when we have that, now we can add our collage pieces. So I already pre-cut some, so just to kind of, the girl will be here, some flowers, some mountains, yeah, something like that. I just got it a bit lower. So I'll take the glue again and make sure you stick it well. Very simple project, but really, I think, enjoyable. I ordered more of those hoops, so don't worry if you won't be able to catch it now. They'll be flying probably out. I will have them sometime. Okay. Super cute. Okay. I think I had a cloud somewhere, but it disappeared as well, cut out. And my mountains, no space for mountains now. So you decide which elements you want to use. I think mine is okay like this. So you can leave one of the elements to add here. One of the laces I forgot to leave, or when you trim it, you can add it here on top to hang it. And oh, I have the bits here, so you could just add it here for hanging. So like I added a little tulle here. So the last bit is also, you have some glitter, so I will add glue whatever I want the glitter go. Right? We all need sparkles in our life, so I think I love sparkles. I know it's not very climate friendly, the glitter, but sometimes so much we can do about that. And then I will add the glue stick and my glue. So bear with me 1 minute. Glue sticks. Just had them here a few minutes ago, of course. They just disappeared on me. Here. Sorry. So The best I found the glue stick for this. I just add on the side of the flower and kind of, I always add on the side flowers, kind of like this, and the small one maybe here. I think my husband started hoovering. You can actually add a tiny bit of paint in here as well, just to give a bit of more arty look. Yeah, and your little dream catcher is ready. So I hope you enjoy that and you will make your own. See you soon!